So I can say it good morning everybody, or good morning to all of you, and also good afternoon, good night, because we have different times. So my name is Yar. I'm from South Sudan, or I'm South Sudanese. So I would like to express my gratitude to all South Sudanese youth and other people who like our country to be a developed country like what we are seeing. So here is very important message that I would like to share with you guys, or I would like to give you as an advice. So I'm always here to speak Nuer language, but today I want to speak in English, even though I don't know English very well, so I will try. Because this message is going to all South Sudanese 64 tribe to know it is very, very carefully. So what I would like to tell you is now all people are talking about peace in South Sudan, because we really seen what is going on. Someone interrupted me, calling me, and then I omitted her call. So all of us, we are talking about peace because we know that our country is going to a better worse situation if we didn't know what we are doing. So here I can say it, if we need peace, so we have to know what will be the solution, because peace without solution is meaningless. First of all, if the country is in the war, the people will search what will end this war. So our problem, or the virus that made a country to be like this one, is not all the South Sudanese. It is a small group of people. So we would destroy our country, kill many thousands of people. And also those people, if we didn't remove them, so there is no solution for South Sudan to be a peaceful country or to get development. It will take a long period of time for us to suffer. So that is why I would like to share my idea with you. I'm not a politician, I'm not part of all those political issues in South Sudan, but the truth must be told. Our problem is Salva Kiir Mayardit and his family, as well as the advisor in the parliament from other tribes. Why? As we know that our president is not good or well educated. And the country like this one, or president of the country, need to be educated, because he will know what is going on and what he can decide, and how to bring development and peace to other people who have different opinion, different culture, different language, different things. So how to bring them together, it needs good education. Does not need person like Salva Kiir Mayardit to be a president of the country. That is why our country is now collapsing. And as he know his weakness, or Salva Kiir Mayardit, he know that he is weak in education and other things. So he seeks people to advise him, or to get good advice from other people. And these people, because they are not because they don't play. Sometimes they are deceiving President Salva Kiir Mayardit, giving him wrong advice. Because they now know that if the country go to war, if the people were killed, who will be responsible is president of the country. It's not their responsibility. Just president called them to get some advice from them, and then they will respond, or they will respond negatively to the president. They will give him wrong advice, and the president will put this advice into action. That is why our country is going to war, and it is going to be a very, very forest. As we know that in social media now, when we ask anyone which country, the poorest country in the world, most of the people are saying it is South Sudan. Yeah, this is because our president is uneducated, and the people who give advice to the president, they give advice that will benefit them, instead of protecting the right and interests of citizens of South Sudan. And now, the country become dominated by one tribe, especially Dinka. They are the one who dominate the parliament, dominate all the activities, foreign office, everything in the country dominated by Barrel Khazal, while other 63 tribes are sitting, are suffering, and then government also decide to kill them, to disperse them to refugee camps and other things, and also they are suffering by different sorry, I repeat it many times. They are suffering on natural disaster like flood, but the government is not giving them eyes or protection to protect them from this one, or to give them the key of healthy or how to help them. Why? Because the government is hit other tribe, as it is dominated by one tribe. The government is working on one side and left other side behind. And all those influence, they came from Jing Council. Jing Council and other political group from different tribes who are playing their interest to get money to educate their children outside, like in Western world and other country, developed country like Kenya, Uganda, and something like this. They take their children there and their family. So what they need in the parliament, just they need money. For them to get money, they are not saying truth. They are not telling truth. Because if they are telling the truth, as we know that all the country, all the developed country, why they develop? Because the decision of political decision of the country will not decided by one person, like president or by president, but it will be decided by parliament. Parliament is composed of many different people from many different ethnic groups according to this country. If it has a different ethnic group, they will have representative in the parliament. And those people, the decision of those people, it is what brings development to each country. But the country who are developed by one man could never be developed country. Let me tell you. And our solution now, many people are crying here, let us organize ourselves for peace, something like this. If we didn't remove Salva Kiir Mayardit and his small group, no peace in South Sudan. It will take us a long time, my people, let me tell you. It will take us a very, very long time. We will suffer, and then our country will go to be the poorest one, and it will face many, many different challenges from other countries. Even the other country also will shut their diplomatic relation with our country because of what they are seeing. So how's the use of South Sudan? If everybody is educated, so now the population of South Sudan, 75% are educated people. Young people like me. All of them, they hold degree and master degree. So we have to think. And also we have to be, to see all the things that we are seeing from different countries in our country. Rather than going to just taking your children to educate somewhere in Kenya, Uganda, while they are Africa like us, they are from the same region, East Africa like our country. They have the same resource as we have in South Sudan. For example, we have mineral resource, we have agricultural lands, we have forests. So we have enough rainfall in our country that can grow our crop. So we have all the tools we have in our country, but due to political problem, that is why we are like this one. So we need to think of this one. The country is responsibility to its citizen. Every citizen have responsibility to protect the interests of the country. Every citizen also have responsibility to respond to someone who is making corruption, who take country to war. So we have to respond on that. If we are keeping silent and we are defending them, so they will develop many different things that will be worse for the future. So let us stand up for our future life, because we have children and also we will have grandchildren. So let us remove the culture of selfishness from our heart. What I mean by this one, because if you get money or if you get position that have money, so then you will hide the truth. You will not tell the truth because you have money. As you say that I survive. What about other people? Development comes when all the citizens have job. So there is peace everywhere in the country. For this reason, all things will be free. Engineers who are working for infrastructure like road, they will work without any security problem. Insecurity, I mean. And if there's road network everywhere in the country, so the trader will go everywhere. We'll trade international with other country, easily because they have road, they have no security issue in their country, and also they will take good from the capital city to all part of the country. So that this is what can bring development. And all those things will not come when Salva Kiir Mayardit, Bull Mail, his daughter Dut Salva Kiir Mayardit, Minister of Information Makwelwet, Kwalmanyang Juk, Taban Dengai. So Ezekiel Lolgar, because those people, if they remain in the parliament, Tut Kaugalwak. So all those people, they are the people who are destroying our country. They use Islamic ideology. And now we know that Islamic ideology, now Muslim state, all of them are in war in Asia, in different parts of the world. So Islamic religion or Islamic ideology is not peaceful one. All the countries with Muslim, they have problem. And this ideology is the ideology that fled by Salva Kiir Mayardit and the people whom I give you their name or their list. And many, many different other people. They are flaying the same thing. If we didn't remove those people from the parliament, we have virus or we have problem. I call it virus because if we didn't get cure, how to cure it? So it will remain for a long time until it kills us, all of us. Because we know the difference between virus and other things. Virus is the serious one. And those people, they are like virus. Because what they are flaying in South Sudan now, they kill many people. Many, many, many citizens. They be on the international, the criminal that will be, they are against international law because they are killing instead of young people like the one who fought for their right. They are killing women, they are killing children, elder people, disabled people. They are killing them according to their tribe. For example, they are mostly targeting Nuer tribe in the country. Why? Because Nuer tribe try to express their right. That is why. So instead of talking about peace, that we can tell ourselves, let us be in peace, let us be in peace, we didn't remove the problem of peace, which is called Salva Kiir Mayardit and his people. So no peace. Even don't waste your energy by talking about peace in South Sudan. If you didn't remove Salva Kiir Mayardit and his group, no peace in South Sudan. Because when African Union and other partners try to bring peace, Salva Kiir will develop something that will destroy this peace. That is why he's doing all this year to extend election. All the things that happening in South Sudan that destroy the peace was decided by Salva Kiir and his group plus Jing Council. They will bring something very bad to destroy the peace that was established by African Union, other partner. So how can we implement this peace, or how can we get this peace where we have something that prevent it? So we need to move the prevention of the fermenter or the factor that prevent the peace to come to South Sudan. We will have to remove it first so that we can have peace. So I give you this message as South Sudanese, not for Nuer, only for all the people in South Sudan, all the youth who know their right, who know how to do something educational, who know how to do something using their physical power, because the youth are the powerful tool in the world. So if all youth rose up, so those retired men, they will go to we can replace them, they will go to their home, because they retired mentally, and also they don't have, they don't decide good things for our country. They fail to bring development, to bring peace, to bring whatever. Instead, just they are taking the country resource to other country like Asia, to Dubai. They are building their company, their house, their whatever, and they left the country as hunting ground. That people will come to hunt animal, and then they will take the meat to the place where they came from. That is what is going on now in South Sudan. South Sudan has, we heard this word from Dr. Lamuma. Yes, it is true. South Sudan it is hunting ground where people go to hunt and then they will kill animal. After they kill, they take the useful part that they need, like meat and something like this, they will take it to home. So it is like forest that have no someone who is responsible for it. Just everyone will come, will kill animal, will burn the forest, will do everything you like. And that is why last time we heard that there is criminals who were in prison for many years in USA. And then those people, they were deported to South Sudan. And they are not our citizens. They are not South Sudanese citizens. They are from different part of the world. Some of them, they are from Asia. Some of them, they are from Africa, but from different countries. And why they were taken to South Sudan? Because South Sudan became the place where all the bad thing will be put there, because the president is bad. He needs something that is not good. So that all the useless thing will be taken to South Sudan, which is very shameful for us. While we are here speaking Arabic, speaking English, doing everything, saying that I'm educated, something like this, what we don't have something in our mind. How long are we going to resist this suffering? And how long are we going to see our people are suffering and our country is going to bear big shame like this? So my conclusion is, let us remove Salva Kiir from power if we need peace. So that is short message that I can give to you today. So thank you and God bless you. So try to share this message, and you can comment, you can do everything. You can also share it to your friend and comment, giving me your comment if it is not the right way, or if it is right or wrong. So then you can correct me here in the comment section, because I said that our problem is Salva Kiir Mayardit and the people in the parliament plus Jing Council who brought a bad decision to the parliament. So that is what I can tell you today. Thank you. So sorry, I don't know English very well because it is my mother. It is not my mother tongue, but you can know. I think you knew or you had the central idea. Thank you. Bye.